Hey guys, welcome back to Gaming
Back to our
Cousins.
channel.
And we're going to play Airplane Story 2.
Airplane 2.
Go in!
We're playing Airplane 2 and stuff. Yeah.
We're waiting for Kia. It's gonna go without Kia.
For real, let's go. Come on, Kia.
Go!
Let's go, Kia.
Go!
Hey, girl, I did.
Be back, guys.
Yeah. Cool. I told you long ago. Talk to me. I hate this one. Can we play a different one?
No.
I'm right behind you. Go in front of me, Winter.
Is this Donald Trump thing? Is that the Donald
Yes.
Trump
Winter, you're right in front of me.
I don't want to be with this racist person. Oh, I sit right here.
You're in front of me, Winter. You're in front of me. You stay right in front of me. Yeah, Winter, I'm across from you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Airplane 2.
Airplane Story.
Hello, Pilot Kelly.
Can I be Pilot?
Move.
No, I want to be Donald Trump.
I want to be her.
I'm Pilot Kelly.
I'm already
My name is Kelly. Be your blah 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 in this.
You don't know how to say pilot?
As you can blah 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 tell.
You don't know how to say probably?
I don't like reading.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft.
Shut up!
You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time.
Shut up!
Oh my God.
We still don't remember. Let's go too fast.
Girl, you can't read. Oh, let's just go. Let's just do it. Bruh.
Move! She don't like you.
Alright, enough chatting.
Where are you guys? Kylie right there.
Please find a seat with... Wait, that has a golden label with your name on it. We are about to cross an area of high turbulence.
You shut up.
That's why your shoe raggedy. That's why your mama dead. Dead as hell. What shoe she gone? She got her casket. That's why your grandma have no knees.
Did a full
they can't
twister.
Play Jesus bleed.
Shut up. Don't just blah blah. Thank you
for your cooperation.
Shut up,
girl. You can't even read. I have been informed a president's agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions.
I found him.
Come on. What?
Huh? Who's that? Where is he? He's not in here.
What are they saying?
I'm watching you. Talk to me. They're like Men in Black. Yeah, remember, no one should know about this.
Know about what? Yeah. Did anyone else see that?
Did anyone else?
That's me. Don't read me.
Oh, I read myself.
Oh my God! Help! Welcome to the president. Help! I'm stuck.
Well, jump!
I'm jumping. I'm stuck. Oh my God. Wait.
Willa, find a way out.
How?
Stop jumping! Stop jumping!
Anyways, see y'all. Wait.
I want to spill.
I'm stuck with Tiania. Who is Tiania?
Tiania!
I just see your arm, bro.
Stop jumping.
Why is he walking? He's walking in place.
Dude, bye.
Wait, turn like straight to the door. Okay, wait. Turn straight to the door. Okay, straight to the door. Well, you're not facing straight to the door. Where's the door? Straight to the door. Right. Willa, and then jump.
What's the dog doing?
No, not UTT. Willa, jump.
What's the dog doing?
Okay, yeah, I have no idea.
I spilled it.
Anyways, bye.
Oh
my God, I'm
No,
stuck. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Look at this mess.
Talk to me.
We need help.
We gotta reset.
No, I ain't resetting. Try to reset. No, no. If you know how in these stories it teleports you. Wait until it teleports us.
Stop jumping.
I'm not even jumping. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen. Okay, demonic. Please follow me to the dining room.
Okay.
Well, I don't think it'll teleport you.
Yes, it will. See? Exactly. Exactly.
And
Yeah, I told you. Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
sit next to.
that was something else.
I'm
Guys,
just gonna
don't
make
worry
this.
about that.
His name is Joe
don't worry about
Byron.
His name is Joe Byron.
Joe Byron. Oh, Joe Byron. Build that brick wall.
Oh yeah, the
Build
wall
that
from China.
Wait, what?
I don't know what's it called?
To keep the little
I'm sorry. It's the
We all
habit.
know who this is pointing to, but
Donald Trump.
Ronald Trump.
Donald Trump.
Anyways, welcome to my airplane.
Welcome to my airplane. I said I was him. I'm him. No. My name is Ron. Shut up. Oh wait. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roblox CEO of United States.
Dang.
States. You must know that you are heroes for this nation.
Keep moving.
Kylie,
Kylie,
stop.
you keep moving too.
Dumb.
Kylie, you keep moving too.
No.
Keep moving so you can be able to sit there. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet.
What?
I believe the chef messed up.
I want to cook. I
I don't want to
What?
cook.
Throw that chef off the this plane.
I thought Kia
We
said
will
she
take
wanted
care
me
of
wrong.
him, Mr. President.
This is my seat.
What?
I don't know how to cook. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before.
What the hell is that sound?
This is
Winter, I'll be watching you.
Shut up.
How she hates you.
Tell Princess Snow. Yes. I will tell you the ingredients that you have to find. And drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out. This is scary. I don't like it in here. Let me out! Oh, let me out!
What the heck?
I feel your heartbeat.
No.
What to grab?
Okay, the soup needs pepper.
Where's
Grab
the
pepper.
It's pepper.
Grab pepper. Grab pepper.
Let's
Grab pepper. It's
Winter.
right here. Hurry up, Winter.
Pour it in.
What?
Eggs.
It's right there.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay, the pot needs
Pepper.
Pepper.
Go in. Go in.
Okay. 14.
Potato.
17, 16. Pot needs
Chicken.
20, 19, 18.
Chicken, girl, chicken.
Chicken! Eat the chicken!
Oh,
Food is ready.
I'm not gonna eat it. It's gonna give me food poisoning.
What? You're rude. I worked my soul into that. I was about to die.
I'll eat it, Winter Pooh.
Don't talk to me.
Okay. I already said sorry, Winter.
Let me eat my food. Bro, I hate soup. Take a seat.
He's gonna turn emo.
He's gonna turn emo.
Enjoy.
Did you know Winter's name is emo?
Oh,
Enjoy.
I'm a chef.
I didn't eat it. It's gonna give me food poisoning.
Where'd the president go?
We hope you enjoyed the soup. President
This is
had to leave early.
my outfit. This is my seat now.
This is my seat.
He should be meeting you again at the president's suite, whatever. Please follow the path to the computer room.
Come on, Winter. Let's go.
Oh, that's the wrong way. Wait, is it? Kia's not talking to you no more.
Okay.
For me?
No, Kia.
Oh, look at her.
I want to see too.
Hold on.
I'm gonna sit right here away from me. What's Titi doing? I'll sit next to
We're
Willow.
doing, what's it called?
We're doing jumping jacks. Woohoo! Jumping
Try and
jacks.
figure out the code. Good luck, crackers. Wait, what?
Not hackers.
What code? What code?
They're all pink. What's the code?
And this one's blue.
Okay.
But this
Wow,
one's
you
blue.
really need work in the blah 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 code. Blah, blah.
Meet the president in the next room.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Baby.
Hey, President, want to kiss me? Mwah.
Okay.
Hello again. Sorry I had to leave earlier. Early. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom.
Oh yes. Bedroom.
For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere around this room.
Found it.
Well, I hope you know that reminds you that your mom is watching this, right?
Okay, I found the key.
Me too. Move when I found it first.
Great.
Donald
Let's
Trump.
open the door. Then.
Ooh, there's only one bed.
I'm gonna sleep right here.
Now I want to sleep here.
I'm gonna sleep right here. I'm gonna sleep on the floor.
I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Should I do like a British accent?
No.
Or like this kind of like sound? Or this kind of sound?
A second one.
The second
Okay. I don't know how to speak British or
No.
Australian. I don't know the
This
difference.
kind of sound. That one.
That one?
Gimme. It's mine. Let me find that.
I got comfy.
I'm sleeping on the wardrobe.
Where am I sleeping?
I don't know. On the bed. Where else? Oh no, it's nighttime.
Oh my god, I want to sleep in the
It's nighttime already. That's me.
Oh, dang.
Don't do that.
I'll speak my own self.
I can't sleep. There is something
sleeping.
about this flight that scares me.
I'm asleep.
Guys, the curtain.
What's wrong
Oh
with
my
the-
god, it's opening by itself.
I'll be there.
Ah, there's a monster.
Let's run out of here. Oh no, it's the monster.
That's Winter.
Oh no, it's the monster.
Did you wait, I can't see. Did you forget about me so early? Oh my god. Get Jesus is love.
Is this God? Is this the devil? Jesus! Lord
Oh my
I
god.
gotta go.
I'm just following y'all.
I wanna die. Can I die, please?
Oh my god, how do y'all get up there?
Just jump.
I can't!
Just jump. Haley, back up, boy. Back up. Back, like this way.
Oh, good.
I'm going against the wall.
Me too. Guys, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. And be like, I don't wanna die.
Okay, like, come on now, we're here already. Are we
That's
safe?
TT.
Oh, that's TT. TT. The floor.
I'm gonna use it because then I'll use it. The
Get
floor!
something high. Quick. I want this.
The floor is lava. Oh, I wanna die. Once you can have that.
The fire is
Oh,
gone.
you have your own. Once you can have that.
The fire is gone. What is happening? The
The
fire is gone. What is happening?
Where's mine?
Let's go down here to get that telephone. To get the telephone. How's this telephone right here?
Guys, the phone is ringing.
The phone.
The phone is
ringing.
Wait.
Hello? Hello? Cops? Is it you?
Hey guys.
Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up.
He left.
Some terrible is happening
Oh,
on your plane. You don't say. Ooh, I don't have attitude. Anyway.
I can't tell
can't tell much.
you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked.
But we're just kids. God dang.
Give me a minute while I try to unlock it.
Guys, I got something.
Get closer while I do, but be careful. The monster might still be around.
Guys, I saw something and I picked it
Yeah,
up.
it was a
and
no.
I
I
picked
saw
it.
it.
Yeah, it was a no. I saw a no below.
Oh no.
Dang,
Look.
We're supposed to
Look at my
go
thing. No.
1 out of 7.
No. You will not escape this time. Ha! Ma ha 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 ha!
What?
Oh no! Don't let him catch you.
Catch you.
Catch you.
Wait, how did I reach down here? She right behind us? Oh shoot, she right behind us.
Don't look back. Don't look back.
Run.
Don't look
Honey
back.
iced tea. Sugar honey iced tea.
Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back.
Oh damn.
Shit.
What the hell?
Where's the run? Where's the run? Wait, where Willow go?
Just behind us.
Oh, Winter's after you. Winter.
Leave me alone, please.
I'm in my safe room.
Me too.
No, it ain't. It ain't open.
Get in.
I ain't die. I need a poop. I need a poop. Yes, I need a poop. But I'm scared I need a poop.
I need a poop.
Great. Everyone is here. What is going on?
What is going on?
We saw that monster again.
It's do. It's do. It's do.
Don't
Did he follow us here?
follow. Did he follow us here? Oh, no.
Kids on the show.
It didn't follow you here.
Dang it.
It made you come here
Leave.
again.
Come here
It
again.
made me leave.
It made you come here again. I don't know.
I knew there was
I
something
knew there was
wrong
something
here.
wrong here.
Oh, that's you? The good news is I'm not just a pilot.
Just a pilot.
What are you then? I'm also a secret agent and I know a lot about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him.
I like him.
And there was something about planes. He always was so he was always so obsessed with planes in a scary way. He liked to read about plane crashes.
He's a murderer.
For real.
He liked reading news about. Okay, so he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. What?
How did you reach back over there?
Now that you know about the monster, the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. Oh,
TT, you said shop?
he can be any agent, but or even the president, but I'm not even sure yet. Take this gun.
I want a gun.
I'm not getting the gun because I'm bad at aiming.
I'm not getting the gun.
Yeah, me either.
You should only have one choice.
You only
Discover
have
him or kill him. Discover him. Discover him. Discover him. Wait, should we do
Who's
me?
taking the shot?
What should we do?
I don't know. Me. Me.
Who's taking the shot? No, you can't do that. Oh, shoot. Somebody take the shot.
Okay, I will do it.
You said
I'm
me?
scared. Wait, I don't want to do it no more.
You said me?
Do you?
No, there's a gun.
Yeah, do it. Take it. All right. Good luck, guys. Wait, saying guys, make her go in. I'm not trying to die.
Man, I shouldn't have done it. This is what I get for being
What's he
curious,
doing?
George.
So I'm not trying to die here and kill him. I jumped through the whole tower.
There you are.
Have you?
Wait, there you are. We've been looking for you.
Wait, I think I know who it is.
It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait, who am I shooting?
Yo,
It's also
what?
Wait, what?
Put the gun
down.
What are you doing?
It's the agent.
Is it Angel?
I think
We
so.
know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster.
I think it's the agent.
You are making a huge mistake.
We are
We're not the monsters.
We're not monsters, stupid.
Oh.
Y'all can't read.
I don't trust you. Oh my god, what should I do?
Oh, the agent.
The agent? Wait, I don't know. Should I don't shoot? Wait!
This one.
Don't shoot? Oh my god! I'm gonna tap them both at once. What did I choose? I shot it! Wait, did I not do it? I shot it!
Who
Who did I shoot?
Hold on,
I'm
who did
scared.
you-
Yes! I knew it! What is that? It's the monster, Mr. President.
Mr. President.
It has been haunting us since the first trip.
Why are you reading full of stuff?
It tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us.
That is crazy.
Thank you for saving my life.
Ow.
Yay!
Congrats, passengers.
You saved the day once again.
But I don't like the Kelly because she could have done it herself.
That was scary. Let's go home.
That was scary. Let's go.
At least it's finally gone now. It's not. Oh my god.
It's really not.
Finally gone.
Very good. Shut up. Airplane 2.
Good ending. Yay! Victory! 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 Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Bye.
Bye.
Toodaloo. Yeah.
Peace.
Hola.